next thing that we need to cover is the transition. How does the PowerPoint slides move from one slide to the other, right? So what we're going to do now, we're going to click the first slide. We're going to come up to the transitions tab, and we're just gonna choose a simple fade. But if you want some others, you can click this drop down arrow and you can choose. You have curtains, but we're just gonna choose a simple fade, right? And we can indicate with us with sound or no sound if you want here, or and the duration, okay? And you can just click apply to all right here, and the three slides would transition, have the same transition effect. Now remember I told you I'm gonna show you another way how to present the slide. So I'm gonna come up here now and you can click the slideshow tab, and then you click either from the beginning or from the current slide. So I'm gonna go from the beginning. And I think if you press F5, it also does the same thing for you. So I'm going to click from the beginning, right? So here it is. I'm going to press my down arrow and see, right? Then I'm going to come down to the next as you see fading, right? And then here now, I'm going to show the animation. So here we have the photograph of the cricket, then the word for the cricket, then the actual football, and then the word, right? To exit the PowerPoint, to exit the view slideshow, you press enter on the keyboard, and this